Do you want this grid animation?
Trust me, this is very easy.
Let's create a new composition and set the width 1920 and height to 1080 if you want 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, create a solid and adjust the color as you want in your grid background.
Then duplicate the solid by pressing Ctrl+D.
Now, go to Effect and Presets and search for Grid Effect and place it in Duplicated Solid Layer. Then, adjust Grid Color.
Change the size from width and height slide.
Then, adjust the height and width of the grid, just like me.
It's time to animate the grid. Go to Effect and Preset, search for Motion Tile, and place it in Grid Solid Layer.
Now click in the anchor point and place it to the left of the frame. Then add a keyframe. Go further away, and again select the anchor point and place it to the right of frame.
Now we can see our grid is moving, but is happening too fast. Let's put the last keyframe further away so it will become slow.
Great! If you see some double line and grid, just like me, adjust the height and width a little bit, then it will be fixed.
Great! Now our grid is so perfect. Now just let's add a text. I am adding text just to show you how it's look like.
Okay, now let's make the grid background more interesting. Create a new adjustment layer, then go to Effect and Presets. Search for Deep Glow and place it in Adjustment Layer.
Then set the radius 50 and exposure to 0.40. Perfect. Now again, go to Effect and Presets and search for Vignette Effect and place it in Adjustment Layer. You can adjust the amount as you wish.
It's so perfect! Now if you want some noise, search for Noise Effects and place it in Adjustment Layer and set the amount of noise to 10.
Boom! Now it's perfect. Our grid background is looking so professional right now. Thank you for watching. If this video helpful, subscribe my channel and comment below what tutorial you want next.